Hi guys,
For today's
video
video, dito
ay
sa amin.
pag-uusapan natin itong
Kaya
remote shop.
nagtitila ako yung mga manok.
The website is
We were talk about the tutorial.
remote.ph.
This is
So
an
they
online
are
tutoring platform.
Filipino
Where
talent
you can teach
24/7.
different language.
Now, work night shift rules experience the
Saan ka
advantage of remote work
naka-base
at any
ngayon.
time of the day or
If
night.
someone near
So let
in your place, then
us
you can teach them
read about us.
face-to-face or online. So, find a private
So our
language
origin
tutor
story,
near
we
you
pair
or online. Looking for a
businesses
language
with the right
tutor.
Filipino
Tutor is
talent
the
online.
go-to language learning
We
platform
are a
worldwide
privately
with a
held
whopping
company founded in 2007 by a
300,000
Sydney-based Australian founder.
and
We have an
326
in-house
picture.
team of
Private
90
tutor,
Filipino
lesson and
employees
letter learning
supporting
guides
our home-based contractors in the
Then you can find a
Philippines.
tutor.
So
Just
this
click
is home-based
if you're a
contractors.
student.
We are predominantly
And then
focused
if
on
you are
servicing the
a young
Australian
teacher,
and
please
New
click
Zealand market.
become a tutor.
Our ongoing recruitment
So
and
this
support
is
streamline the
choose your
entire
tutor
remote
schedule,
working
class, and
process,
type learning.
so both
So as you can see,
Filipino
this is the
staff and
available
Australian
country.
business can achieve more
So they have
together.
English tutor, Chinese tutor, German tutor,
So we
Spanish tutor, Arabic tutor,
accelerate
Japanese
business
tutors,
growth by helping
French tutors,
entrepreneurs
Italian
recruit
tutors,
and
Korean
onboard
tutors,
skilled
Philippine
remote talent
tutors,
from the Philippines. We connect
so
with strong
ever,
Filipino
so
work
etc.
ethic
Madami
to
pong
growing
countries
business
dito.
in
So you can
Australia and New
search
Zealand while
in the tutor.
facilitating a strong, productive relationship between
So
the two.
this is
We help
what the
nurture the
students say
success of
and
business by
reviews.
offering access
And
to
how
skilled
tutor
and
works in
qualified
3 simple steps.
workforce
Look for a private
that
tutor.
contributes great
Tutor
value.
is a
Our
marketplace
unique
connecting student
advantage
and qualified
include
tutor nearby. Tutor
matching
benefits both
skilled
student
staff
and
to
tutors
very
as
specific
student
business needs,
can now
a
easily
deep
find a
understanding
great
of
tutor who
Filipino and
matches their
Australian or Kiwi
availability and
culture
location.
that
For
allows
private
us to
classes, choose your
reconcile
private tutor.
both
Search for and hire
and
a
save
nearby language
businesses
tutor.
time
Now,
while increasing
with tutor,
productivity.
once you've selected a
A
tutor you
dedicated,
want to learn
experienced,
from,
and 100%
will
Filipino
reply
in-house
to you
team to
on
support
tutor
our
messenger
clients
and help you organize your
and
first
staff.
lesson together.
Offering businesses are reliable
The
and
tutor start
adapted
teaching now.
workforce that
You choose
provides
your
good
hours
value
and student pay
while
you
offering skilled
directly.
staff,
We keep it
friendly conditions,
simple,
and
fast, and
competitive
free to help you
wages.
find students who match your availability. Tutor works with language tutor in over 160 cities around the world.
Purpose:
So
to
they
support
are
business and Filipino
available
remote workers
in
to reach a new
160
stage of
cities
success
around
working
the world.
together. To be the remote staffing provider of
as
choice
checked,
for international
this is how you can apply.
SMEs and
Just
Filipino job
in
seekers.
or fill out
Values:
this form.
live and integrity.
Language,
Together
become a
is
language
better.
tutor,
Catch up,
tutor,
balance right,
sign up
innovative,
and become a
strive
language
for
tutor.
excellence.
Give your name, your full name, your email address, and
So
set
this
your
is the
password.
remote staff team.
And then your mother tongue and which country would you like you from, or and then you after that, if you create your account,
So
then
the job.
you can
Find
out
that online
also
job
the other,
today.
like
So
what
as I
language you will teach here in tutor.
review, so abot ng 60k
This
monthly
is the
yung
student
sahod mo dito.
from our country, the Philippines.
So accounting, bookkeeping, administrative,
So this is a
business services, customer support, design and
they
multimedia, engineering,
teaching
marketing,
Tagalog
sales,
as well.
software development,
So
development,
you can find also Sib Wano Bisaya.
bookkeeping admin assistant,
Okay, here
accounting and
Bisaya,
bookkeeping.
Cebuano.
So job role,
Available then.
bookkeepers
So
and admin system
Armenian,
status remote, part-time, 20 hours per week, scheduled Monday to Friday, 9 a.m.
Azerbaijani,
to
Bambara,
1 p.m.
Kaske, Bambarian,
AEST,
Belarusian,
7
Bengali,
a.m. to 11 a.m. Manila time,
Bori,
flexible
Bisaya,
while choose remote
Cebuano,
staff. So
Bosnian,
Google
Bulgarian,
Maps,
Burmese,
local SEO
Cambodian,
specialist, marketing, accounting manager,
Cantonese, cat language.
client service
So
administrator,
you're talking
video
here with the
editor,
cat.
social media manager, AU
So,
accountant,
as I understand, you're talking
finance officer,
with the
coding
cat
specialist,
here.
customer
So
service,
that
ito
is
po
cat
yung hiring
language.
video
Katal,
editor,
Catalan,
design
Chiwa,
multimedia,
Yanja,
post production
Bulgari,
coordinator,
Chinese,
digital marketing
Mandarin,
operation assistant,
Mandarin,
digital
Tagalog.
marketing specialist,
So, marami pa
SEO
iba.
specialist,
So,
Shopify,
Candy,
and Google
America,
Ads experience required.
English,
CRM,
Italian, Spanish.
HubSpot
So,
specialist,
you can
virtual
check
assistant,
the website of
construction
Tutorial.
building industry,
So,
New Zealand, virtual admin assistant, multimedia
maybe I will write
specialist, supply chain
link
officer,
in the description box.
lead generation and
And
appointment
please
setter.
don't forget to
Samahan
like
din
and
sila admin
subscribe
assistant.
sa aking channel. Thank
So,
you.
dito po sa
For more
sign up,
notification regarding my new videos. Maraming salamat po.
so I think dito sa sign up guys ay ilalagay mo lang yung pangalan mo, yung apelyido mo, at saka yung number at email address. Tapos ready na po kayo ng resume. Kasi kailangan po dito ng may ma-attach kayo na resume. Tapos 3-step po bago kayo ma-approve po dito. So please visit the website na po, remote staff. Sa mga gusto magtrabaho ng admin assistant dyan, customer support, so dito na po sa website ni remote-staff.ph/job/number/. So check the website now. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you.